If you knew how easily John started his own business, you would be happy too. Starting a business shouldn't be hard work, it should be fun. All you really need is the right equipment from the right partner. At am.co.za, we make it our aim to provide all the right equipment you need to start your own business and to keep it flourishing, because we believe that achievement matters.